the result of women's bad behavior. Sorry, ladies, I'm a woman, but once you actually understand this, you realize the truth of it, and you realize that we actually have a lot of power in society in where we are actually taking relationships.
She be sweeter from the candy when she rolled up. My baby the baddest, sick enough to make them grow up. She be sweeter from the candy when she rolled up. Never looking average and get better every year. What? Wide hips, big frame, fat end. Watch her swing, short skirt, skinny lips, gut dirt, wing tip. All I do is shine her with a microfiber washcloth. Exterior blind you like your common sense is shit off.
Her choice and that. My question is, if we give a woman the right to opt out of motherhood, should we also give a man the right to opt out of fatherhood and 18 years of child support?
I agree. If a mom walks into an abortion clinic and says, you know what, I'm not feeling this, and gets an abortion, the dad has no say, it's a double standard.
Well, he can obviously sign his rights away, but he cannot physically.
He can't sign his rights away because he has to pay child support.
I mean,
he is legally bound by child support.
That's just the way it is.
I know, but do you think it's right? A mom can say, I don't want this baby, but a dad never can.
I mean, I just think that's just the way it is.
But you want equality. You want equality, though. You claim to want equality so bad. That's what your movement is about, right? Equality. Yet here I see deflection. I see double standards. What rights do men have? You have it. You have all the power. What rights do I have? I make video content about everything. I don't have a limit. I do not have any type of bias towards anybody whatsoever. But I noticed something that's been going on a long time. When it comes to women, they seem to be able to get away with everything. Like, there is no limit on what they can get away with. And this video is more proof of that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. How's that okay? Look at, now she gets out of the van, right? Oh no, forget I've just hit somebody and probably killed him. I'm going to beat up my baby daddy because allegedly he's sleeping with my sister. So I'm willing to catch all the felonies I can and then want to be excused for it. Look at that. Look at that. Is anybody going to tend to the aid of the elderly? No. Look at this guy. I mean, he's fast. Finally somebody comes over there. Person hit by the van is in the worst condition of all time. Look at that. She gets back in her vehicle. Batshit crazy. That's what I'm talking about. Women getting away with everything. No fucking rules, no laws, no accountability. Everything.